I don't know about you, but really I am so tired of having to be and someone is telling me, sister, do you know your hair has turned white just because of gel? So I decided to know the gels that deserve my smiles and kisses and the ones that don't. So for the purpose of this video, throughout I had to work with a clean slate hair. I washed my hair thoroughly with shampoo and rinsed it with clean water, and at each point of application I had to dampen my hair first and used the right amount of product. Yes, because these are some of the things that causes flaking. So for the Brooklyn gel test, this gel is actually very costly. My god, I had to save money for this one anyway, but I did my quick simple hairstyle, and after 24 hours I wanted to check what does this gel Brooklyn gel test do to my hair. And after 24 hours you could see here that there was zero flaking to this one. So I gave this one my keys. The next one, Overa gel test, this one I borrowed it strictly from my auntie. I love the smell of this gel. Yes, I love the smell. And also I had to dampen my hair and just did my very quick simple hairstyle just to test out this gel, and you could see that after 24 hours this is what the Overa gel test looks like. Yes, there was zero flaking to this one. Yes, and it was worth it. The links to all these protective hairstyles I did are in the description. The third one, I had to go for shine and jam. Shine and jam, you have to be careful out there because there are so many fake ones out there. Okay, fake product on this one. So yes, I went about doing my simple hairstyle and just checked if shine and jam will do wonders to my hair. So I have a video on how to know the fake and the original shine and jam gel, so check out the description of this video for that. Also, if you want to know how I was able to achieve all these protective hairstyles that I used for this test, check out the description too. So after 24 hours there was zero flaking. So if you are someone that is interested to know how to use gels without causing flaking, or you want to know the best edge controls you can use for your 4C natural hair, this is for you. Kaima gel test. Yes, I had to dampen my hair. I love Kaima. Kaima has gotten so popular over the years, so I quickly had to do these protective hairstyles to test out this one. So if you're wondering how I achieved all these hairstyles, please go to the description of this video. So after my very simple hairstyle, after 24 hours, this is what it looks like. So you could see that there was zero flaking to this Kaima Edge Control. So if you're wondering what are the things that causes flaking of natural hair, especially when you use gel, or you just want to know how to apply your gel to avoid flaking, this video has really helped you at this point. So now you have your choices on the gel you could use to avoid flaking.